Audi Q7 owners frequently experience frustrating infotainment system problems, particularly black screens and complete loss of audio. These issues can make your driving experience significantly less enjoyable. The infotainment system may display various symptoms that indicate underlying problems. Understanding these symptoms helps identify the root cause of the malfunction. The most common symptoms include frequent system freezing, extremely slow startup times that can take up to 5 minutes, persistent phone connectivity issues, and recurring error messages on the display. These problems typically stem from three main causes: the system's inherent complexity, software glitches, and parasitic battery drain, a well-known issue in Audi Q7 models. Before attempting complex repairs, start with these simple troubleshooting steps that can often resolve the issue quickly and effectively. First, inspect the MMI control panel for any signs of liquid damage, as spills can cause system malfunctions. If you're using Apple CarPlay, try disconnecting it, as it can sometimes interfere with the system. Finally, ensure all cable connections are properly secured. If these initial steps don't resolve the issue, the problem likely requires a system reset or more advanced troubleshooting procedures. When your Audi Q7 infotainment system is unresponsive, a hard reset is often the most effective solution. There are several methods depending on your specific model year. For most modern Audi models, the reset process involves 4 simple steps. First, turn on the ignition. Then locate the volume knob along with the menu and nav or map buttons on your center console. Press and hold the volume knob, menu button, and nav button simultaneously for about 10 seconds. The screen will go black and then restart, showing the Audi logo. For 2018 Q5 and Q7 models equipped with an MMI touchpad, the reset procedure is different. Simply press up and down on the touchpad using 2 fingers simultaneously, then release. If a hard reset doesn't resolve the issue, you can perform a factory reset through the MMI settings menu. However, be aware that this will erase all your saved data, custom settings, and paired devices. As a last resort, you can disconnect the car battery for 10 minutes. This will reset all electronic systems, but may also reset other vehicle settings like radio presets and clock. If resets don't solve the problem, hardware issues may be the cause. Common culprits include corroded antenna ground connections, a faulty Sirius XM module, or breaks in the fiber optic loop that connects system components. Before expensive repairs, check ground connections for corrosion yourself. If problems persist after trying these reset methods, visit an Audi dealer for professional diagnosis. They can perform advanced testing, reload multimedia software, or replace faulty modules as needed.